guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a bit of a like get ready with me, but you can see I'm kind of ready. But I kind of wanted to show you a few palettes that I've got and just kind of test them out a bit. Let's just call it a chitty chatty makeup thing. Let's see what we can do. I got the palette. So, let me find this baby. This is the best palette you will ever meet in your life. Fucking love it. Oh snap. Okay, it's the Soft Glam palette. This palette is like insane, guys. My favourite colours are them three at the bottom, just there, them orangey shades. And then the two at the top, the sultry and them beautiful pinky colours are just stunning. And I just wanted to do a little bit of a look really, so I don't know, it's going to be like a little bit of soft glam maybe, I'm not quite sure. So I'm dropping everything today, like I can't deal with this. I've got such a small desk, like seriously I can't cope. I've got so much crap on my desk. I've filmed like 4 videos today and I've got so many different things set up. And these are just everywhere. Like I need a pot for them. Where do you guys keep your beauty blenders? Like I need to be more organised in my life. And then this one's like in a different place. And then this one the cat is kind of clawed. I literally need to sort my life out. Anyway. Anyway. Where is the brush that I was just using? There it is. Okay, so I'm going to use this brush. This one is from Anastasia Beverly Hills. This one came with the palette itself. So this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills. And I flipping love this brush because it's so good to blend. So I think I'm going to take Sienna. I think that colour is so beautiful. Like I love peachy colours. I think they're one of the best colours to work with, and they just suit anything. Like you can just wear it with anything and you can just add so much to it. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna just work that into my crease until I'm happy with it. Just gonna blend it in. I literally came upstairs and filmed and I just felt so lonely, and because the animals weren't with me. So I went downstairs and I said, right guys, upstairs we're filming, and now I'm happy. Like I cannot film without the babies being around me. I'm really like weird like that. But I just feel like I like it when they're around. It's crazy how much companionship animals can actually give you. It really is. Okay, so I'm happy with that blending. I think now I'm going to grab a bit of the, I'm going to take orange powder and I'm just going to start applying that just underneath, just to lighten it up a bit. And then I'm going to grab the Cypress Amber palette. Guys, is insane. I wanted this palette for so long. I'm going to use a different brush for this, and I'm just going to work that just below the crease. Like, what animals do you guys have? I want to know what animals you've got, what the names are. I want to know everything. My babies are called Nala, Snugs and Cindy. Nala's a puppy dash hound. Well, she's not a puppy anymore, but I don't know if you guys follow my vlogs, but she's pretty much in all of them. And Snugs is just a moggy cat, but she's not just a moggy, like she's just the most amazing little thing ever. She's so smart, Snugs, and she's so lovely to be around. It's really crazy, but I'm obsessed with my babies. But Nala's had quite a bit of trouble, like separation anxiety and stuff. She's actually struggled with that. Okay, so yeah, tell me what animals have you guys got, because I love all that. Then I think I'm gonna grab this beautiful, in fact, let's do a little bit of a cut crease. Why not? Nothing to lose in doing a cut crease. So I'm going to grab a bit of a brush that I can pack the concealer on with, and I'm going to take this and I'm going to apply it. Okay, that's Nala saying hi. Yes, hi. And I'm going to apply that right in the middle, just to give like a nice even base, and just work that across the lid. And if you apply it there and then you look up, it gives you your print, so then you know where your crease is. So you just want to make sure you follow that line. And then just do the same with the other eye. So now we've got that kind of base. I'm gonna take rose pink, and then I'm gonna add some sultry. Yeah, that's sultry. So I'm gonna pop that over the base that we've done. So now I'm just gonna clear up around here. So I'm just gonna do this. And this literally will just clean up your eye look dramatically. And then I think we need a little bit of mascara for the look. Just a little bit. I'm not going to do falsies, but wouldn't this eye makeup look amazing with falsies? I actually want to get my lashes extended. I usually get them extended, like I usually get lash extensions all the time with my girl Adele, but I just haven't like got them done because I was giving them a bit of a break, because I lost so many because they just kept falling off, and my eyes like started watering all the time, and it was just making them looser and looser. So but I'm gonna get them done very soon, and then I won't have to bother with falsies, because I love having just ready and go. So yeah, I think that is the look that I'm going to create with this palette. You can literally create so many different looks. It's amazing, this palette. It's got the most warmest colours, it's got some beautiful glitters, and it's got like them two which are interesting. I want to kind of do something with them at some point. So yeah, that is the palette you need. It's a really good palette, guys. Like, I've only had it for a little while and I love it so much. It's probably like my everyday palette. I really hope you guys enjoyed this look, and I'll see you in the next video, guys. And make sure to subscribe. I'm on the goal to reach 1,000 subscribers. I really hope I can reach it by the end of the year. I will reach it by the end of the year. So make sure to subscribe if you enjoyed my video, and follow my social medias in the drop bar down below. And I'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye!